Calculate the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. The area of the triangle BCE is 1/3 the area of the rectangle ABCD. Let's calculate the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Now apply the Pythagorean theorem to triangle BCE. Next, substitute the values into the equation and solve for EC. Alright, let's isolate EC. This gives us the length of side EC. Now use the triangle area formula, which is height times base divided by 2. Plug in the values and solve for the triangle's area. This result is the area of the triangle. Remember, the triangle's area equals 1/3 of the rectangle's area. Time to isolate the rectangle's area. Now we have the rectangle's area. Use the rectangle area formula, length times width. Insert values here, then find DC. Let's isolate the side DC. This is the length of side DC. Remember, opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. Now calculate the perimeter, sum of all sides. Substitute values and solve for the perimeter. And there you have it. This is how we solve for the perimeter.